Welcome to K&H Productions Engine Test Stand Run-Up video. In this video, we will be showing you how to set up, run, and monitor your engine on a test stand. An engine run-up includes checking engine connections, checking engine fluids, proper safety measures, proper starting procedures, monitoring and verifying engine parameters, and proper shutdown procedures. To get started, ensure that all your connections are secure. Check that propeller bolts are safetied. Make sure oil lines and fittings are secure and leak-free. Make sure fuel lines and fittings are secure and leak-free. Verify magneto connections, tachometer connections, starter connections, and throttle and mixture linkages. Confirm proper fluid levels, oil, and fuel. To ensure the safety of yourself and others, there are a few things that must be done. Move to an open space. Secure the test stand. Have a fire extinguisher nearby. Now it's time to start the engine. First, connect the GPU. Turn the master switch on, boost pump on. Give the boost pump a few seconds to build pressure and then prime the engine. Crack the throttle and push the mixture all the way into the full rich position. Turn both magnetos on. Engage the starter while at the same time adjusting the throttle until the engine starts up. Check the oil pressure gauge. If you do not have oil pressure within 30 seconds, immediately shut the engine down. After the engine has stabilized, turn the fuel pump off. Now that you have your engine started, it is important to monitor gauges and verify proper engine operation. Continue to monitor oil pressure. To check the magnetos, adjust the RPM to the POH guidelines. Turn off one magneto while observing the drop in RPM on the tachometer. Turn that magneto back on and repeat the process with the other magneto. A general rule is that there should not be a drop of more than 150 RPM on one magneto, and the difference between the magnetos should be no more than 50 RPM. Check the POH for specific RPM drops. The last step in your engine run-up is engine shutdown. Start by slowly pulling the throttle all the way out. Pull mixture control all the way out. Once the engine stops running, shut off the magneto switches and the master switch. After shutdown, check for oil leaks to ensure that you have properly assembled your test engine. In summary, an engine run-up includes checking engine connections, checking engine fluids, proper safety measures, proper starting procedures, monitoring and verifying engine parameters, and proper shutdown procedures. We hope you have enjoyed today's instructional video. Good luck running your engine project, and always remember, safety first. Don't forget to watch our other training videos: Airline Maintenance Series, Flight Training Series, Home Built Series, and Helicopter Training.